Hey guys, quick update. I'm in now week 10. Knees coming in pretty good. Few things still need to work on, but developing very good.
I'm going to get Alyssa to do a quarter squat off a step, and she's going to stand on her good left leg and lower down with the right. So this is what good looks like. Lower down, heel stays on the bench one more time. Good, knee doesn't track too far past off your toes. Now compare that to the right knee. Okay, not bad. Try one more. Okay. Okay, so Alyssa's doing an arabesque here. So basically she's going on the good leg first. So as the top half falls, the back leg kicks up. And she's trying very hard to keep that straight leg, her standing leg straight. Try the same leg again for me, Alyssa, please. So try and keep that left leg straight as possible. And as the top half topples forward, you see the back leg kicks up. It's really challenging for the hip stability there. Okay, let's try the other side and compare. Okay, so she's going to work really hard on keeping that right leg straight. Top half goes and then slowly come up. Not bad. One more and she should be finding that really challenging in the hip, but particularly the hamstring tightness. Okay, awesome. Alyssa's going to do a modified quarter squat and then a lunge out the back. So you're standing on the right leg. Let's dive into the quarter squat first, please. Good. And then she's going to throw the leg out the back, plant the leg, and then a little dip. Perfect. That's one rep. Try one more. Good. So her heel stays right onto the step. Perfect. And she's not trying to allow the knee to travel past the toe. Okay, so Alyssa's just measuring the bulk of her quads. And we wanted obviously the left to equal right. So her left was around 43. And the right is around, not far. So that's about 42. Good job.
So the two main things that I've learned from this is discipline. I feel like I can do more than what my knee can hold up, but also got to pull back and just be cautious of what I'm doing. The second thing is my leg is wobbly, but it's actually not coming from the knee, it's coming from the muscles. So I'm trying to improve, building strength in the muscles to help out the knee itself. I'm actually doing physio daily. Also, quick shout out to Nick and Ace Rehab for helping me, during the week. I'm training there Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. They're helping me so much, trying to build strength with all my exercises, and yeah, good.